Real Madrid, yeah?
I would have Real Madrid probably looking at it like this, we don't, Liverpool, we're not trying to buck Liverpool. And then they probably would have been like, you know what, Arsenal, Atletico Madrid, toss of a coin.
What have you been smoking, Hook?
You're not on the level of Atletico Madrid.
This is why you haven't won one before, Hooks. You don't know what it takes.
That is laughable.
Oh my
You don't know what it takes.
Sorry, can I just establish? Are you saying that Arsenal are better or more feared than Atletico Madrid?
What I'm saying is Real Madrid definitely didn't want to come up against Arsenal in this running.
Yeah, but they would be more worried. Sure, Hooks. Fine, let's go with that theory.
Yeah, wait, no, and they would actually be more
crazy. Real Madrid do not want to come up against Arsenal. Yeah, they're more scared of Arsenal than they are of Atletico. What are we talking about here, man? What are we talking about? Based on what? Based on what? Based on what? What have we done? What have we achieved? What have we actually done to make Real Madrid fearful, bro? What is this delusion is beyond me, bro. Based on what? We can't even run our own league, let alone going in Europe and doing something. Why would Real Madrid fear a club that have been embarrassed numerous times in Europa? With Unai Emery, we got slapped up by Chelsea and Baku. We got embarrassed in the Europa League with this manager against Olympiacos, against Villarreal, against Sporting Lisbon. When we've been in the Champions League last season, we got embarrassed by Bayern Munich. Why would Real Madrid say, oh, you know what? The team I fear is Arsenal. Atleti actually got European history. They've won Europa Leagues with Simeone. They've actually won in Europe. In the last 5 years of their manager, just the last 5 years, they've won their league title. What's Arteta done in the last 5 years? Won an FA Cup. An FA Cup that you guys, since that FA Cup, would say, yo, throw the FA Cups in the bin. We don't care about FA Cups. That's how highly you rate the FA Cup. Oh, we don't care about the FA Cups. Bigger fish to fry. Bigger fish to fry. We're going for the big honors. We're going for the Champions League and the Premier League. And what did we do? Fall short. Why would Real Madrid fear us? Based on what? Last season, they won the Champions League, won the league title. They had no striker. They played 2 wingers. Ancelotti's won everything in the game. Multiple Champions Leagues. Ancelotti's their most decorated manager in the history of that football club. The most elite football club in the world. Why the fuck would he fear Mikel Arteta's Arsenal? Based on what? Did West Ham fear us? Did Fulham fear us? Did Everton fear us this season? Did Man United fear us? Did Newcastle fear us? What are we talking about? We lost to Inter Milan already this season in the Champions League. Did they fear us? And now we're talking about Real Madrid fearing us. Bro, what are we doing, Hooks, man? What are we doing? Bro, I swear down. This guy, bro. I don't even know, bro. You know, bro, this is... Now, we're going to have to write it down. Where's the pad? Where's the pad? Hooks says Real Madrid fear Arsenal more than Atleti. There we go. Continue, because we're taking notes. Let's VAR. Let's just go back a little bit. Let's go back a little bit. Let's VAR that.
I would have Real Madrid probably looking at it like this, we don't, Liverpool, we're not trying to buck Liverpool. And then they probably would have been like, you know what, Arsenal, Atletico Madrid, toss of a coin.
What have you been smoking, Hook?
You're not on the level of Atletico Madrid.
This is why you haven't won one before, Hooks. You don't know what it takes.
That is laughable.
Oh my
You don't know what it takes.
Sorry, can I just establish? Are you saying that Arsenal are better or more feared than Atletico Madrid?
What I'm saying is Real Madrid definitely didn't want to come up against Arsenal in this running.
Yeah, but they would be more worried. Sure, Hooks. Fine, let's go with that theory.
Yeah, wait, no, and they would actually be more worried about Arsenal. They would actually be more worried about Arsenal because they have less information on Arsenal. They have less data on Arsenal. Like they literally play.
I'm not there. They've never heard of the team Arsenal, man.
Hooks, brother.
Wait. Real Madrid are scared of coming up against Arsenal because they have less data and less information about Arsenal. Hooks. Bro, let me tell you something, bro. This ain't the Victorian days, bro. There's internet. Do you know what I'm saying? There's a thing called the internet. There's televisions these days. There's mobile phones. There's iPads. Do you know what I'm saying? There's computers. There's laptops. What am I talking about? So you're telling me, yeah, they're not going to do their homework on the team. They're not going to watch back a lot of our games. They're not going to see the way that we play. They're not going to see our last couple of results. They're not going to do anything. Their scouting team and everybody that works for Real Madrid they don't know anything about Moreno that's come from that league. They know nothing about Trossard, nothing about Martinelli. They know nothing about Odegaard. Yeah, that was their ex-player. They know nothing about him. Saliba that they're tapping up, they know nothing about Saliba, even though they're tapping up Saliba and want to sign Saliba, allegedly, however you want to take it. You're telling me they know nothing about Saliba, but yet they want to sign him. They know nothing about Timber. They know nothing about Ben White. What are we talking about here, bro? What kind of bookery is this, Hooks, man? Nah, fuck this. I'm tired of this, man. Is this guy actually serious, bro? Now, listen, I like Hooks here, but he's talking waffle, bro. How is it that you know about Real Madrid? You know that they're not looking that convincing, that Vinny didn't play that well the last game, that Rodrigo wasn't all that in the last game, that Bellingham wasn't all that in their last game, Mbappe didn't play that great in their last game, they won through penalty. You know all of this, but everybody that works for Real Madrid that are paid money to be scouts, to be part of the staff, the coaching staff, the manager that gets paid millions of pounds to do his homework on the team, they know nothing about Arsenal, bro, because we're not from that league. Bro, stop being naive, man. How does that make sense? Bro, come on, man. Bro, I'm sorry, man. This is a stinker, bro, from Hooks, bro. What are you chatting about? So you, as a fan, you know a lot more about Real Madrid. You know about what's been going good, what's not been going good. Asensio playing well. Rudiger's been doing this thing. They got a top goalkeeper. You've seen Camavinga playing well. But they don't know nothing about Arsenal, bro. And you're just a fan like me. But the people that work for their club know nothing about Arsenal. Come on, bro.
Brother.
Huh?
Brother. Come on, put the Atletico in the bag. Just put the Atletico in the bag. Put the Arsenal in the bag and keep it stepping.
No, it's cool. I hear it. It's all.
You're doing the mouth, bro. Hooks, you're doing the mouth breather thing. You're doing the mouth.
No, man, it's all hee ha ha. Arsenal are dead. I hear it. The hee ha ha. Arsenal are shit.
It's not about Arsenal are dead.
Hee ha ha.
Even Igal is cringing, man. Even Igal is cringing at that take.
Hey,
Stinker and Hook.
Hey, man. If we all wanted to hear the same opinions, do you know what I mean? Like we just clone somebody and dash all of them.
So let me ask you. I'll indulge this. What part of Arsenal is going to be more worrying to Real Madrid than Atletico, who have got one of the greatest managers in world football and have got top players all over the park that have been there, seen it, and done it and won it?
I mean, they don't. I mean, top players all over the park. Yeah, I hear
surprise, Igal agrees.
I hear it. Top players all over the park.
I'm waiting for an answer. I'm waiting for one second. Okay.
So Arsenal are very similar. This is why, because remember, I said flip of a coin. Arsenal, Atletico Madrid. That's what I said.
I'm still not getting an answer.
But Arsenal you can see similarities between the way that we approach the game to how Atletico approaches the game.
But according to you, Real wouldn't know that, bro.
We're both very pragmatic. We're both very defense first. We're both very solid in our defensive structure. It's very similar. Now, I would say the difference for me, at least, is we have better defenders.
Than who?
Than Atletico Madrid. Yeah.
Sorry, have you seen Jimenez for Atletico Madrid? He is.
But Saliba and Gabriel is defo top 3 centre back partnership in world football. So it's like we're dealing with different. We've conceded only yesterday, because obviously we played some Super C team. We'd only conceded 4 goals in the Champions League.
How did that partnership do?
It's funny how you're only mentioning the centre-back partnership. Why didn't you mention the rest of the defenders? Because you'll mention Timber on the right or Ben White on the right, and then you'll look at the left and say, yo, We've got Calafiori on the left. Ultimately, yeah, this is all irrelevant, yeah, because that's only one part of our game. If it was just based down to defense, why is it that this great defense was getting cooked by Man United in the second half? Why is this great defense held, what was it, 2-3 goals against Bournemouth this season? How come this great defense, yeah, couldn't keep out Inter Milan this season? Why couldn't this great defense, yeah, get us the win against Fulham, Everton? Bro, it's all great, yeah, talking about this great defense, yeah, this great defense. Bro, this great defense, yeah, got out-jumped this season by flipping Bowen. Now, Bowen's a good player, yeah, but he should not be out-jumping our centre-backs. Tielemans out-jumped our centre-backs, yeah? Let's not go on like this defense has been impeccable. Calafiori on that left-hand side has been cooked this season by Hudson-Odoi and Garnacho. And you're sitting there talking about how great this defense is. How great this defense is. We've been cooked this season at times. Yes, it hasn't been a 4-0, 5-0, 6-0 thrashing, but we've been cooked at times with this defense, bro. So this is what I don't understand, yeah? At the end of the day, this defense is decent, but this season it hasn't been to the levels it's been last season in certain games going up against certain opposition. And not only that, yeah, the football is a team game, innit? You can defend. You still need to score goals. Who's going to score us the goals, bro? Who's going to score us the goals? Where were the goals when we needed it in the cup games? Where was the goals when we needed it against Man United and we got a draw? Where was the goals to beat Fulham, to beat Chelsea, to beat Bournemouth? Where were the goals? Like, man are talking like, oh, just having a great defense, bro. Well, what's that great defense done for us in the league? Because guess what? We're 15 points behind Liverpool. Where was that great defense done for us in the cup games? Guess what? We're out. Do you know what I mean? What are we talking about here? But man's talking like, oh, just because we've got a good defense, what, the rest of the team doesn't exist? There's not a starting 11. We're just looking at the defense. Bro, what are we talking about? And when it comes to stinking out games, yeah, and getting over the line, Atleti have actually been there, done that. They've won Copa del Rey's doing that. They've won the league doing that. They've won Europa Leagues doing that under this manager. Do you know what I'm saying? But now you're talking about Arteta and, oh, we got a better defense and we can stink it out. Based on what? We ain't stunk it out to win anything. Do you know what I mean? Like, bro, we're facing Real Madrid anyway, but to undermine, bro, the two teams, yeah, that know how to stink it out and get a result, yeah, Inter Milan and Atleti, and both of them have won more with their ownership, with their managers playing like that than we have. We've stunk it out doing the dark arts and we've done nothing but bottle league title after league title.